Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today I'm going to be showing you how to get free Microsoft rewards points in 2026. This is a working code that you can redeem in the Microsoft rewards platform, and it is going to supply you with 100,000 free points. And if you know Microsoft rewards points, you know they're pretty hard to earn and they take quite a while. 100,000 is a load of points, allowing you to get free gift cards and more. So before I show you how to get these free Microsoft rewards points, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always creating brand new updated videos. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you how to get free Microsoft rewards points using a working code in 2026. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. And all you need to do, guys, is head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. And if you type it correctly, guys, what it's going to do is going to bring you to this website here. They specialize mostly in game codes, but they do actually have a free Microsoft rewards points code page. So I'm just going to search in the search bar for Microsoft rewards, and this is the page. Now, there is only one verified working code on here, but as you can see, this is a really popular one with it's got like over 8,000 ratings. So you can get 100,000 free points for Microsoft rewards. And this is a simple code that you can redeem in the platform, in the redeem gift card or code page. And it's just going to add 100,000 points to your Microsoft rewards account. So guys, you need to unlock your Microsoft rewards promo code. This basically stops people taking more than one of the available codes. So once you click that button there, you're going to see this code unlocker, and this tells you exactly what you need to do to unlock your code. You need to complete 2 of the free Apple survey offers below. So basically, guys, all you have to do is complete 2 tasks from this page here, and it will unlock your code for your free points. So essentially, these tasks take about 5 minutes. And they're easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing games. So I've just clicked on there, but let's show you what this is. So this one, Midnight, install, open the app, then redeem your points to unlock. So this one, you'd basically, it says here, you've got to go to the App Store and search for Bet, and then install the Midnight Casino app. So you don't actually have to use these apps. You basically just do what it says. So that one said type in Bet in the App Store, and you're looking for that Midnight app. So let's go ahead and find that one. So there it is. So this one was a bit more difficult because you had to scroll down and look for it. But yeah, let's see what else they have. I'll just show you some examples. So this one, download, install this app and play 1 game for 5 minutes. So this one, you'd click on it and you just have to download this app where you can play games for rewards, and then you just have to play 1 game for 5 minutes. So just complete 2 tasks following the instructions, and if you do everything correctly, it will redirect you back to this page, and your Microsoft rewards points code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown here. Redeem it in the platform, and that is how to get 100,000 free Microsoft rewards points. So I hope you found this video useful, guys. Pretty simple. It does take about 5 minutes, but it's well worth it. Go to Cold Coupons. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.